Hey everyone! Today, let's explore using Gua Sha for forehead wrinkles and how face oils can make a huge difference. Gua Sha is not just trendy, it's a fantastic tool for smoothing out those lines on your forehead. Here's our star, the Gua Sha. But first, let's apply some face oil on the forehead. Why? It hydrates your skin and helps the Gua Sha glide effortlessly. With the Gua Sha flat against your forehead, we'll sweep it from the center to the temples. Gentle pressure, folks. It's all about the soothing massage feel. Remember to breathe deeply and relax. It's your mini self-care moment. Do this regularly, and you'll see those forehead wrinkles start to smooth out. Plus, it's incredibly relaxing. Give it a try and let's embrace a little self-care every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick skincare tips. Stay radiant and take care.